Now let us discuss the chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. In the first, we will see their reactivity with air and water. Now these elements are very reactive. They are very electropositive metals. The reason being they have low ionization enthalpies. But remember, their reactivity is lesser than the alkali metals because they are having smaller size and higher nuclear charge. Now particularly we have to now talk about their reaction in air and water. Beryllium and magnesium doesn't catch us or doesn't get converted into oxide easily because they are very stable in the sense that ionization energies are very high. So that is why you have to take beryllium in the powdered form and then you have to heat it, and then it burns with beryllium flame and then forms what? Beryllium oxide. Similarly, and what happens is along with this beryllium nitride is also formed. Similarly, magnesium burns with beryllium flame, then only it combines with oxygen and it forms what? This is what is happening in air. And it forms magnesium oxide along with small amount of magnesium nitride. Calcium also does with this same thing. Calcium easily combines with the oxygen from the air and it forms calcium oxide and small amount of calcium nitride, and this nitride tendency formation of nitride, this tendency decreases down the group. Then what we find is strontium in air or with oxygen, they form what is their peroxides. Strontium peroxide, barium peroxide. So that's the differences. So the first three forms they are oxides and the last two forms they are peroxides.